Hello everyone. In this video, we will see SUMIF formula. So before seeing the SUMIF formula, let's see sum formula equal SUM open bracket, select all the count and closed bracket, enter. So here we have all the count of this product. So by using the sum formula, we can count the entire value of this product. If we want the individual product value, we can use SUMIF formula. Let's see. Here, put equal, type SUMIF, open bracket, select the range. Here the range is product, comma, select criteria. Here I am going to select apple, comma, sum range. Sum range here, the product count. Close bracket, enter. Here we have 340. Let's use sum formula. SUM equal SUM open bracket, select individually 100, comma 150, comma 25, comma 65, close bracket, enter. So here we can see we are having the same value. So by using sum formula, we need to select all the counts. Instead of doing that, by using the SUMIF formula, for a single instant, we can get the total apple count. So this is how we should use SUMIF formula. Thank you for watching.